Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amit Negi Talks. My name is Amit Negi and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video we will talk about drone swarm. You know what is drone swarm is? Drone swarm का मतलब होता है drones का एक झुंड. So friends, watch the complete video till the end, and those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button and please press the bell icon also so that you will get all the videos notification on time. Okay friends, let's know and talk about what the drone swarm is. Multiple unmanned platform or weapons deployed to accomplish a shared objective with the platforms or the weapon autonomously altering their behavior based on the communication with one another. The fact that the components of the swarm can communicate with one another makes the swarm different from just a group of the individual drones. Communication allows the swarm to adjust behavior in response to real-time information. Drones equipped with the camera and other environmental sensor can identify potential target, environmental hazards or defenses and relay that information to the rest of the swarm. The swarm may then maneuver to avoid a hazard or defense, or a weapon-equipped drone may strike the target or defense. Real-time information collection makes drone swarm well suited for searching over broad areas for mobile and other hard-to-find units. Drone swarms are coming and they are the future of the wars and the air. The question really is not if, when and where drone swarms, which is the next evolution of the robotic warfare, will be utilized in the real-time operation. So friends, now let's talk about why drone swarms are deadly. Drones capable of destroying targets using either missile or by going kamikaze, detonating themselves, have existed for at least 2 decades. But where drone swarms differ is their capability to saturate radar and air defenses, complicated an enemy capability to respond. Moreover, the relatively small size of drone and their simple construction make them cheaper to build and customize. Swarming algorithms are empowered by biological studies of swarm behavior of insect, fishes, bird and animals. Swarming R&D across the world is focused on development of distributed artificial swarm intelligence capability, commodification of technology for lesser cost, impact and increasing state of autonomy between the agents in a swarm. But swarming also adds new vulnerabilities. Drone swarms are particularly vulnerable to electronic warfare attacks because drone swarms are dependent on drone-to-drone communication. Disrupting that signal also interrupt the swarm. As swarms become more sophisticated, they will also be more vulnerable to the cyber attack. So friends, this is all about the drone swarm and how much they are deadly. So friends, during the Army Day parade, you have seen the drones flying in the air. Why Indian Army drone swarms demo is milestone in disruption and warfare. Among the many systems showcased at the Army Day parade are displayed by a large number of the drones created a buzz literally. Around 75 drones of Indian Army carried out multiple mock operations, including kamikaze attack, first aid delivery and parachute payload delivery exercises at the event. These were more than ordinary rotary drones that take off like helicopters. They were a part of a drone swarm. Each drone is autonomous and independent to carry out missions by leveraging power of artificial intelligence. The Indian Army is working with New Space Research and Technologies, a startup, to develop swarm drones. The Army and New Space plan to fly up to 1,000 rotary drones at once. These drones can destroy targets ranging from tank and terror camps to fuel dumps. So friends, this is all about the drone swarm. I hope you like the video. So we are ending the video here only. Those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, it's a request, please subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.